Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Microsoft Outlook how to schedule send. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is open up your Outlook application, and once you're inside there, be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now once you're inside there, what you need to do is simply click on this new email option, and once you do that, a dialog box will appear with a new message. Now all you gotta do is enter in the email that you are sending to, right, and then enter in your subject and then enter in your message, and if you want to attach a photo or image, all you gotta do is just simply attach it. And now once you are done with all that, in order to schedule it, what you need to do is click on this file option on the top left corner of the screen, and once you do that, here select info, and once you do that, here select properties, and once you do that, a dialog box will appear saying its properties. Now here you'll find under delivery options, you'll find an option that says do not deliver before, right? Simply check this box, and here you'll be able to set the time from none to schedule, and then you can select the time as well. And once that's done, tap on close, and that's basically how to schedule send. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.